Come get some horsepower, boys. Spring Metals and Automotive. We're the performance experts. You want a hot rod, boys? Spring Metals and Automotive can get your bucket of bolts from this to this to this bad boy right here. We can build you a hot rod from mild to wild. We are experts at frame-up restoration, which includes paint, body, interior, and of course, performance. Spring Metals and Automotive, where you get performance and a no-nonsense warranty. Come get some horsepower, boys. We're the performance experts.